Imagine there are hundreds of these shapes and you want to select all the ones that are this specific brown color. So, what do? I'll give you half a second to think. With the selection tool, click to select one of the shapes, then go to Select, Same, and choose any of these attributes. In this case, I'll choose Fill Color. And now all the shapes that have this color as a fill are selected. If you have the control bar enabled by going to Window, Control, you'll see a similar button here that allows you to select objects by their characteristics. If you select this circle and go to Select, Same, Shape, then only the circles are selected. The Magic Wand tool also allows you to select objects with similar attributes. You might want to add it to the toolbar by clicking here and dragging it. Double-click on it to open additional settings, check the attributes you want, like stroke color for example, and then click once on an object to select everything that has the same stroke color. You also get to select the same text characteristics. In this example that I downloaded from the link in the description, I want to increase the font size of this text on all the banners. So I'll simply select the text box, go to Select, Same, Font Size, and then I'll set it to 11 points. Cool, but there's more. Here's another example, link in the description. What if you want to select all the vehicles that are similar to this one here? They could have different colors, they could even be a different size, but the same shape. Going to Select, Same, Shape will not work. It's grayed out because this is not actually a shape like a rectangle or a circle. It's just a group of objects. So let's select it with the selection tool and go to Select, Start Global Edit. Now you're in the global edit mode, and Illustrator will select all the objects that it thinks are similar. You can see there's a blue bounding box around this object and this one, meaning they're selected. But this is a little bit different because if you make changes to the object, for example, if you scale up and rotate the vehicle, these changes are propagated to the other selected objects. And you can double click on the object to enter isolation mode, make whatever edits you want. I'll just add a white circle here, exit isolation mode, and the same edits are applied to the other objects. Now, since I deselected everything, I'm not in the global edit mode anymore. But if you want to stop it, you just go to Select, Stop Global Edit. I'm going to select this vehicle again. And in the control bar, this button here allows you to do the same thing. And you can find it right here in the Properties panel as well. You'll notice there's a drop-down menu next to it, which allows you to set more options if you want to match the appearance and size and set specific artboards.